land where no one lives. No little girls or boys. Every toy that's thrown away inevitably ends up here.
All-imposing atmosphere.
Anke l-adulti jsibu l-wens fil-ħrejjef u fil-stejjer oħra. F'din ir-rokna nagħtu ħarsa lejn ħrafa b'kitba ta' Malcolm u Angele Galea u b'direzzjoni ta' Philip Leone-Ganado.
And the emptiness began.
I'm Malcolm Galea, and together with my wife, Angele Galea, I'm one of the writers of the Trials of Magnus Coffinkey.
Many stories start with once upon a time.
Ours does not.
There is a land where no one lives. No little girls or boys.
The play is billed as a broken fairy tale for broken people. Fairy tale for grown-ups.
Every toy that's thrown away inevitably ends up here. Within this hollow landscape, a toy named Magnus dwells.
Fairy tales for children have a particular impact on children. When they hear a fairy tale, they learn something, they know something about the wolf, there's a fear, there's a horror, there's joy, and it shapes the way they think about life sometimes for many, many years to come. The Trials of Magnus Coffinkey is a fairy tale aimed for grown-ups, so the same wonder and horror that children feel when they hear Little Red Riding Hood will be experienced by the audience. It deals with grief, and the play comes in two levels. It's the story of Magnus Coffinkey, who is a character who lives in a world where everyone is a broken toy, and Magnus Coffinkey is one of these broken toys, and he's trying to fix a bell. If he fixes this bell, he'll get a wish that will come true.
Malcolm approached me to direct this piece. I've worked with Malcolm a number of times before, so I was already just very excited to be on board myself. Malcolm's a fantastic writer. The script is produced here is fascinating and multi-layered, and just it's a sort of script I really love digging into. We have two fantastic actors, Joseph Zammit and Becky Camilleri, again, who I've worked with a number of times before. I think they're among the most talented actors in Malta, so it's a sort of cast always where I feel that they're going to bring a lot to the table, and with a script like this where there's so much room for invention. A lot is being asked of the actors. Becky is playing about 8 different characters, Joseph's playing 2, and it's extremely playful. It's a story that alternates between fantasy and reality, grief and humor. So there's a lot going on, and I felt that those actors could best portray that and find real theatrical inventiveness in that. Within that, we've also got, obviously, Malcolm and Angele, who wrote the scripts. So we've got a really good team together, and that's how I like to work, just bringing everyone together and seeing what comes out of it.
Do you think I'm ready for it?
There's only one way to find out.
The show will be on at the Spazio Creative Theatre between the 12th and the 14th of May.